Okay, finding an angle using the sine rule is exactly the same as finding a side, but instead of using the traditional formula, we flip it. So we say sine A on A equals sine B on B. Because they're ratios, I can do this, and the reason I do this is because it makes it a whole lot easier when it comes to solving the equation. So we'll do it exactly the same like up here. We'll match our pairs. So sine theta is opposite 6. Sine 110 is opposite 20. And exactly like before, I just have to times that up. Sine theta is 6 times sine 110 on 20. Now, with the calculator, if I work that out, 6 times sine 110 over 20. I need an angle. What do I have to do if I want an angle? Second function, sine, the answer, equals 16 degrees. Finding an angle, you need the second function. So if you work it out, don't forget, 0.28 is not an angle, 16 degrees is an angle. So if you get a decimal, you've done something. You've forgotten that second function sine. We'll do this last example. A ship is sighted from P on a bearing of. So I've got to draw my bearing at 137 and say this is 12.4. So 137, which makes this as 43. And it says calculate a point Q is due south of P. Is due south of P, Q, and is 31 from the ship, 31.2. Calculate the bearing of the ship from Q. So I need to calculate this angle here, because I need to figure out the bearing of the ship from Q. Now what I've actually got is this triangle here. I've got a side and an angle, so I'm happy, and I've got this side. How do I work out that angle? Now if I know that this is 43 and this is south, isn't this 43? I don't even have to do the sine rule. That's terrible. That was a bad question. Because of alternate angles, I've worked out that's 43, so therefore the bearing is 360 minus 43, which is 317. I don't think you need me to do another example like that. I think you'll be fine.